Clients generally need our assistance, Sage assistance, in dealing with the complex permitting system that's out there for various construction projects, and also permits are required for operating a facility. Depending upon the size of the project, you have different size of permitting requirements. Some are easy to do, some are very complicated, where only the most experienced specialty things such as modeling and engineering review are required that generally aren't found within the facility itself. It's really a specialty technique or knowledge base that gets you through it. So that's where you reach out to consultants to help you. We assist the clients in several ways. We put together a team of specialists on the air permitting, both the regulatory side. Some of the major source permits require a specialty for modeling the impacts of the emissions from a project, and that takes a special person to do those kinds of studies. And then also people to actually deal with the agency and the regulatory negotiations that happen within a permit too. So we have both junior staff, mid-level staff, technically specialist staff, and then senior staff all have their roles within the permitting process. And things like the modeling have a very specialty things. We have very specific work on that. And that's just generally not found within the facility. A major source permit generally entails analysis for determining what the impacts from the project are going to be. And those impacts are done through a mathematical model that are associated with it, and a very specific set of criteria required by the regulations. Those same major permits require a control technology review, which require you to compare and contrast different control technologies and determine the most effective one that's also cost effective for the project. And then there's also the regulatory review, where you have to go through literally hundreds of regulations to determine which is applicable to the process that you're building, as well as how you're going to operate the facility in the end. And one of our tasks is to come up with the best way to comply with those regulations and set up a set of compliance demonstrations, both for the permit reviewer initially and also for ongoing compliance with it after the facility is built. Sage also tries to follow its motto of friendly service, no surprises. So we try to make this a positive experience no matter what the complexity of the issue is, and we'd be happy to help along those lines.